This is underrated. I'm coming to y'all with this video because I'm sitting here working on my 2008 uh, Chrysler Town Country, and as you can see, I'm doing a thermostat housing. Now, the issue with this has to be my third time changing this thing out because I could not figure out what the problem was. So, the hose is right here. I'm not switching that out. But I got the 2008 Chrysler Town Country 3.8 liter V6. When you guys do this, make sure y'all scrub this surface clean. Whoever had this car before me did not take care of it. Well, they didn't do what they were supposed to do. I'll go over that in a minute. But I've been getting a serious leak this whole time, and I'm just tired of smelling coolant. For real, for real. So, I'm gonna go ahead, clean this surface down. As you can see, I got coolant splashing everywhere down there, but I'm gonna go ahead, clean the surface down and be right back with y'all. Now, just to show you, I got the steel wool brush. As you can see, I've been using this thing, but I put a paper towel in there. It's like 5 of them folded up. Make sure they don't come apart and get stuck in there. Some people might vote against it. I mean, I just do what's necessary. But you want to scrub this surface down, make sure that it's clean and smooth so it seeds right. Alright, so here's your O-ring. It comes with your new housing. Again, that damn arrow. Little simple shit. But these two come together. Then you get your thermostat, which this is my old one, but it's still good. Still damn good. This is what you need for your Chrysler. It's the one that fits. It's the one that's supposed to go. They got a paper one. Don't get it. It fucks you up, and you're still going to have your same problem. So, obviously, you go ahead and fit this over your thermostat. Just slide that on over. See? Done and done. You take your thermostat. Make sure that arrow I'm tripping. Make sure that arrow is pointing at this damn button, this temperature gauge. So that's the way you want it to look. Right there. Now this goes on top of there. So what you want to do is also get some of this. Alright? Just want to put a nice layer on there. Nothing too outrageous, because when you get it in there, it's going to push down and spread out anyway. Okay, not bad. Look, take this, drop it over. This is where we at so far, and I'll be back. Alright, so I just screwed it back on. I got it in there, and these are originally supposed to be 13 millimeter. They are replaced with 10 millimeter. I hope that ain't part of the issue. I don't know why. Yeah. So as you can see in there, the little dots at the bottom, that's where it's supposed to be. So when your cooling gets hot, it tells it to open up, and it does what it's supposed to do when it's supposed to do it. This is one of my first videos for you guys. Been doing mechanics for a while, um, but just ain't made no videos. So tune in, hit the like, hit the share, that type of stuff, and I'll holler at y'all later. All right, peace.